Small topic I wanna cover. Uh, Generally, people will think what is exactly difference between dialect and a driver, where we have in a database. These two keys are very important where we are using database in our application. So we'll see what is exactly. A database driver is a program for which implement a protocol ODBC JDBC for connecting to a database. It is an adapter which connects a generic interface to a specific vendor's implementation, just like a printer, drivers, etc. So, like using driver, we are connecting to specific JDBC and we are trying to retrieve the data available in database. So database driver is very important key role in connecting database, and we'll see what is dialect. So generally, if we are going to use a JDBC and a simple Java, so we'll always use a driver to connect a database. What exactly dialect? So dialect basically where we are using in Hibernate. So dialect is a configuration setting for platform independent software where we have a JPE, Hibernate, etc., which allows such software to translate its generic SQL statements into vendor specific DDL and DML. Okay, I hope you understand driver. I want to give very clear idea on dialect. So dialect, it's like a broker. So for example, we have a written HQL queries in Hibernate, and who are converting those HQL queries to SQL. Dialect will convert HQL queries to SQL. So how dialect will know? So for example, today I have used Oracle 8, tomorrow I will use Oracle 11J, something like that. We have a different query Oracle versions are there, how that will support. So that everything will be taken care by the dialect. So for example, if we are using Oracle 9, we have a specific dialect for Oracle 9. If we give dialect as a Oracle 9 dialect, it will convert our HQL to SQL as per Oracle 9. For example, today not only versioning of Oracle or something like that, we have many database. For example, basic idea of database where we have a MySQL. For example, today I am trying to use Oracle, tomorrow may I can use MySQL, or today MySQL, tomorrow Oracle. So total confusion with all database connectivity without changing anything in our code. Simply changing dialect, that will taken care to convert HQL to SQL. So that is the very best advantage of dialect. So dialect, because of dialect, maybe Hibernate also one good feature became. Obviously, for example, I have used JDBC. Today in our project we are planning to use MySQL. So tomorrow we want to change Oracle, means I have to convert all my code to support Oracle if I use database driver using JDBC. But dialect, I don't have any problem. Whatever I want, whatever database I want to convert, I can simply change the dialect. Even that dialect information will not give in a XML configuration XML file, will directly specify in property file. Whenever we want, we can happily change the dialect. That will take care of my code to convert other specific database. So this is very good concept for Hibernate dialect is. So driver, dialect both are different. Database driver is indicating a protocol for JDBC and ODBC, and the dialect is for configuration setting for platform independent softwares like JPA and Hibernate. So if you want to see a very simple example, see here, driver is like English, dialect is the different pronunciation of English. So whatever you want to pronounce based on the location, based on the country, that pronunciation will be different. It will mostly convert to that pronunciation of languages. So driver is English, that is static, we cannot change it. So I hope you understand. Thank you.